Achieving success for your business through innovation is something that comes naturally to ABB. Through our service and support portfolio, we work with you to prevent unexpected downtime while optimizing the operation and maintenance of your electrical assets, helping you plan for a sustainable tomorrow.
ABB's service portfolio includes care and support, modernisation and smart solutions for our customers' drives, motors and associated powertrain equipment. Our point of difference is that we have a strong experienced team located here in New Zealand and we operate from well-equipped service centres. So the equipment that we support includes variable speed drives, electric motors, UPS systems, switchgear and our EV chargers. We can offer our customers ongoing service support because we're based here in New Zealand. Go to our customers no matter where they're operated in New Zealand and we respond 24/7.
ABB has worked with businesses such as Watercare and Beca to maximise uptime, extend product lifecycle, enhance performance and boost energy efficiency at Watercare's treatment facility in Tuakau to keep Watercare's operations running safely and reliably.
Beca's main involvement in the project was as the main designer. That covered all the disciplines of design for a major project like this, including electrical and controls. We also were involved throughout the construction period, giving support to the constructors, and we also managed the commissioning phase at the end of the job. Watercare's expectation for service capability on this job was having a service provider who was available. This project was really fast-paced and we just needed people to be on site as soon as possible to make things happen, and we got that availability and capability out of ABB to get the job done. The experience with the ABB service team was really good. We really valued their availability and responsiveness to work, and that really shone when we had problems on site. So sometimes there were design issues, sometimes there were hardware issues, and what really worked well for us was ABB's quick response to help us solve those problems to get the plant up and running.
ABB is one of our key suppliers and we really have chosen a global supplier but with good really local support. Local support is very important to us, that we can't really wait for someone to wake up in Europe or in America. We need some local support, we need local people on site, and it's pretty specialized gear in the high voltage field where we really need experienced people, and there are not many players in New Zealand who can provide us the service.
But the results with working with the ABB service team on this project really speak for themselves. We had a really tight time frame, the project was delivered on time, and that meant that everybody needed to be responsive and solve problems quickly and be available, ready to support the job. And ABB definitely showed those characteristics on this job.
We care about our customers, we're passionate about what we do, and we always challenge the status quo.